I am literally, if they're below 6 years of age where we can't measure their IQ at that age, I'm literally measuring their fine motor skills to get a sense, like an approximation of what their cognitive abilities or what their future IQ might be. And that has been shown in multiple studies to really be tied completely into that ferritin level. So you really want to make sure that the kids have enough iron, enough ferritin, backup iron, and it is really playing a critical role in that baby's brain forming. So you remember I showed you those slides. We first start feeding our babies solids around 6 months of age, give or take. And so the brain, if you remember my early slides, is really still forming a lot. There's a lot happening actually in the brain in terms of brain cells moving around at that age. And the iron is playing a huge role in that. So we have to make sure that one of the first foods we give our kids, I'll go into this in more detail, is not just this rice cereal and so on and so forth. We want to make sure that we are giving them food that contains iron at least once, if not twice a day. And I'll talk about that a little bit more.